Inspirational sayings and quotes about nature. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. John Burroughs. For most of history, man has had to fight nature to survive. In this century, he is beginning to realize that, in order to survive, he must protect it. Jacques-Yves Cousteau. Nature teaches more than she preaches. There are no sermons in stones. It is easier to get a spark out of a stone than a moral. John Burroughs. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Zeno. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. William Shakespeare. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Aristotle. Nature is just enough, but men and women must comprehend and accept her suggestions. Antoinette Brown Blackwell. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Let us permit nature to have her way. She understands her business better than we do. Michel de Montaigne. Looking at beauty in the world is the first step of purifying the mind. Amit Ray. We still do not know 1,000% of what nature has revealed to us. Albert Einstein. Those who find beauty in all of nature will find themselves at one with the secrets of life itself. L. Wolfe Gilbert. Man's heart away from nature becomes hard. Standing Bear. In nature, nothing is perfect, and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. Alice Walker. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. Frank Lloyd Wright.